Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot, and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic, and we are actually expanding from there. But in today's video, let's talk about Southwestern Boho. Guys, as usual, before we hop into this video, take a moment, head over to facebook.com and join our Facebook group, And Then There Was Style. You will also find us on TikTok and Pinterest, both at And Then There Was Style. With that being said, let's hop into this video. So the Southwestern Boho fusion type style honestly has been around for quite a while, but it is picking up a lot of steam now. Now recently I was even on Etsy, which you know is kind of like a website for creatives and you can buy their products and all of that, and they actually had a Southwest Boho tab because so many of their creative artisans are making decor and things for your home with this Southwestern Boho vibe to it. So I feel like, okay, if it made it there, it's really validated. This is a popular theme that a lot of people are shopping. But you may wonder, what is Southwestern Boho? Now, first off, let me start by saying it has a lot of different names. Southwestern Boho, Southwestern Desert Boho, or just Desert Bohemian. There's so many different names, but basically it's a fusion between Southwestern and Boho. So the Southwestern Desert Decor is a kind of Bohemian style. However, so basically take a Bohemian style room, and even though the Bohemian style may use a lot of different colors, you are going to basically replace the colors of the Bohemian style with colors that you will find in the Southwestern Desert style. So basically it's a Bohemian style but with less striking colors and more earthy details. So the style is really eclectic, which is another style that we've covered here recently, but it's inspired by a specific area, and that's to say the like Southwest regions of America. So just kind of think Arizona, New Mexico, California. I absolutely know I'm missing some. If you can think of them, I cannot. Just comment them down below. But we're going to pick a color palette based out of this region. So if you're into an eclectic aesthetic and love layers and love like that mix and match look, but at the same time you would like to keep the whole thing really neutral with that type color family, then this may be the perfect style for you. So as I stated before, the big difference between this style and just the Bohemian interior style, we all know, is in its color palette. In fact, as the name suggests, the interior palette is inspired by desert hues. That means by earthy hues, by neutral hues. We're gonna bring in a lot of that like terracotta, those reds, that kind of sage green. We're gonna bring all of that in this home decor style. This color palette gives you so many different options to work with. It's inspired by the landscape of the American Southwest, which offers some of the most interesting color spectrums of the country. Don't think it's just like tan and eggshell. I mean, think about the Grand Canyon or Antelope Canyon, for example. You're gonna have your browns, you're gonna have some really soft blues, some really orangey red, some browns, some grays, like olive colors, sand colors. You have all these different options, and it really just makes for a beautiful palette. So you can choose colors like caramel and terracotta, rust and clay, some of those richer colors in this palette, and layer them with lighter earthy colors like sand, taupe, and beige. That gives you the balance. It gives you the striking and the neutral, even though the whole color palette is neutral. Some dusty pink highlights work great together with the desert palette, as well as in nature you can see pinky gradients in a lot of desert landscapes, right? You can also add more interest to the palette with some pops of teal and purple, turquoise, inspired by natural elements of the landscapes like the sky and different stones and pebbles that you run across. So a few tips for you to achieve the Southwestern Boho interior style in your home. Tip number 1, paint walls white. To make the whole decor really consistent, the first suggestion is to stick white paint on your walls. You can be absolutely creative with the accessories and the fabrics, the rugs, the curtains, the whatever you want, but to get a fresh and modern result, white is required. Number 2, play with patterns and fabrics. The desert modern style refers to California boho eclectic decor. So to be creative and mix and match different patterns, but to get the most beautiful desert vibe, choose between Western American motifs like, for example, Tex-Mex icons and Mesoamerican geometric patterns. These patterns and textiles are super versatile, and laying down a Southwestern rug with a geometrical pattern can add a really cool vibe to many other different styles. To choose the cushions and accessories, start from the color palette of your rug and mix and match the objects in different hues. Tip number 3, for furniture, go for wood and a touch of natural leather. Every desert chic room demands raw and warm materials starting from wood. Consider natural wood. Another material which is a must of the desert style is leather. Make sure to go for a cognac leather, not for dark browns. Something perfect for this is going for mid-century modern leather side chairs, or even incorporating a touch of leather in details such as cabinet pulls, for instance. Tip number 4, mix old and new. Besides layering different textile and patterns, you can also play with different layers of furniture. That means pairing old and new together. Choose some Western style pieces to be paired with more contemporary design pieces, but also some ethnic style pieces. Really anything goes in this style. Mid-century modern also works great in this style, but make sure to just add 1 or 2 pieces in this style to avoid the predicted effect of too much mid-century. Alrighty guys, so as we near the end of this video, do me a humongous favor and comment your favorite Southwest Boho room down below in the comments section. Or if you don't feel like doing that, trust me, I do understand. Just let me know, would you have a Southwest Boho style room in your home? Is this something that you like? Is it a vibe that you're kind of feeling? Do you have something similar already? I know a lot of times I make videos like when I made the eclectic video and the bohemian video, and although we're showcasing it to people who may not be familiar with these various home styles, some of you were like, I know one sweet lady in particular was like, I love boho. I've had it the last 20 years. Like, I think that it's so awesome when a trend may be new to some of us, and then to others it's like, new? What new trend? This has been in for years in my house. So let me know if you already do this style, if you're content with this style, if you like this style. Let's just talk about it in the comment section down below. Alrighty guys, so I asked you to comment your favorite Southwestern Boho style room down below in the comment section. If you want to know mine, it's this beautiful room. I love everything about it. The neutrals, the wood tones, the floral prints, the tropicals, the animal skins. Like, this is a gorgeous room. I feel like it's a great room to receive guests in. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.